Hello, welcome to Angela's Hangout. Let's go take a quick trip through Ross and see what we can find today. You know, it's all decor. For the most part, I'm going to keep my lips zipped throughout the whole entire video. However, there are some things that I just feel like I have to talk about, like this, for instance. Now, I don't know for sure if this is a love seat or a bench or what, but oh my gosh, it's really large. It's really big. And the little pillows don't come off, but look at that, you guys. It's only $129.99. What a deal. I mean, it is so beautiful. I wish you guys could like actually feel it, touch it, sit on it and everything like that. It's gorgeous. And this little console right here is super cute. However, mine is broken, so I'm pretty sure that's a simple fix. And this little mustard yellow chair over here, which is like so super chic and stylish right now, I was looking and looking and looking. I could not find a price on it whatsoever. And, you know, I'm going to be honest with you, I didn't feel like flipping furniture upside down right now. So, you know, it's kind of late in the day and everything like that. But anyway, I'm assuming it's like right around $100. I don't know. Anyway, this one over here, look at that, is so super like this is like totally mid-century modern. And look at the price on that. Ross has the best deals on furniture, I'm telling you. All right, I'm going to try and zip it. I really like this table. I think it is so super chic and modern, yet it's kind of farmhousey. I mean, you could put this in like any decor, and it has these little drawers in here. This is like a console table, or you can put it behind the sofa, or you can use it as a buffet. I mean, there's so many things. It's so versatile. And I'm looking and looking, you guys. There is no price tag. I don't like when that happens. I wish they would just have the price tag hanging out like this one right here. So look at that, $69.99. I do think that that's a little bit overpriced for Ross, but it's super chic and super modern. But anyway, let's keep on shopping. Check out these cute little stools. Aren't those adorable? They have it in green and blue, and they're only $19.99. I think those are so stinking cute. Look at this table. Oh my gosh, $109.99. Are you kidding me? That is such a good deal. It's marble, it's beautiful, it's chic, it's modern. I mean, everything that you're looking for. I'm seriously thinking about redecorating my whole entire house right now, and I could do it on the cheap. I mean, look at these bar stools. Like, what? These are literally like, oh, I have no words right now. Okay, speechless. $49.99 for these stools, or these bar stools. They're so soft. They're so beautiful. I wish they had two the same color. I would totally snag them. Hi. Anyway, let's keep on shopping. See what else we can find. Hey you guys, check it out. There's a little bit of Christmas peeking into my Ross. So this is literally all I could find, but they had some really cute little things. They had a cute little gnome, this little snowman, and I really like these ginormous ornaments down here that light up. And for $29.99, that's what it is, I think, right? $29.99. Yeah, those are pretty neat. So anyway, that's all I could find for Christmas, and this is all I could find for fall. So this is it. Like, pretty much, I don't know if we just got wiped out really, really quick, like, or what is going on. I know that Christmas hasn't officially arrived yet, but for fall, I was expecting so much more. And you know what? I'm so sorry. My camera is not picking up that price tag on that, and that is so beautiful. I'm not too sure what the price tag is on that one. And I had a really hard time with my camera for whatever reason today, but I'm so sorry. I have to apologize for that. But here it is for fall, and let's go see what else we can find. And this is all they had for Halloween, too. I mean, they did have some things sporadically spread throughout the store, but for $6.99 for these glasses, I thought those were pretty cute. Well, they're not cute. They're actually kind of ghoulish, but pretty fun for Halloween. Now, I love these towels, and I have to say, I did pick those up. So they're black and white. That's my color right now. So anyway, it's a great quality, and for $5.99, I just had to get those. But look at, they had Snoopy, and they had so many cute little things. All the our memorabilia right there, and Snoopy and everything like that. So fun. Let's go check out these baskets real quick. Oh my gosh, aren't those beautiful? They're ginormous. Like, no joke, those are huge. And that's a good deal, I think, for those baskets. Now, this one is an even better deal. I think it's just because it's, like, you know, seasonal. But look at that price on that one. Seriously, what a good deal. And it's really cute, too. So, anyway, we're just going to go check out the baskets and see what they have right now. Hey, check out this basket. I know my mom would like it because it has a lid on there. She's like totally obsessed with baskets that have lids on them. So, and this one is ginormous. Let me see if I can find the price on it real quick. There it is. Okay, it's $38.99. So just in case you were wondering. Anyway, I think that is so pretty. So many things you can do with it. I mean, oh my gosh, it's beautiful as is, but you can store a whole bunch of things in there. I'm pretty sure it would fit like 4 of my dogs in there. Just saying. Ooh, look at this rug right here. Isn't that beautiful? I love the texture. I love this style. I think it's absolutely beautiful. What a great price. It's actually quite ginormous. I laid it down on the floor. So glad you guys didn't see me play around with it. But anyway, it's really quite big. Probably like a 4x6, I would say. This rug right here was so beautiful, and my camera would not pick it up. I tried every which way. I believe it was $89.99. I can't really remember, but like I said, I was just having so many problems with my camera today. I don't know what the heck is going on. Anyway, it's really, really pretty. And I mean, for such a ginormous rug, what a deal. So they have a couple other ones I just wanted to show you real quick. I am pretty sure that this is the first time I've ever seen a fire pit at Ross, but $39.99. That's a good deal if you're looking to take it camping or whatever. What a deal. So we used to have one of those out in my patio, and I used to love it. I used to light that thing up all the time. This right here, this little planter thing, I think it is so super sharp, and it's only $7.99. Ultra modern, super chic. I like that one a lot. Anyway, continue shopping. I'm pretty sure I'm in like a little bit of heaven right here. I don't know if you guys know, I'm a total foodie. And I do have a whole other channel. I just started it not too long ago. It's called Easy Eatery. I'll link it below just in case you want to come check it out. I research the heck out of recipes and I just make it so like anybody can make it. But anyway, look at these trays and charcuterie boards and oh my goodness. I feel like I'm in major bliss right now. I cannot believe the price on these things and the quality. They're heavy. Oh my gosh, my heart. I have to say I love this mirror. I think it is so super stunning for $24.99. What a deal. It's super chic, super modern. I mean, I love it. This is a style that we've seen around for quite a while now, and $29.99. So anyway, I like that one too. I think it's super beautiful. I found a little bit of glam in here. So it's been a while since I've seen glam. $29.99 for this big old mirror. It's big. I couldn't believe how big that was. So anyway, let's keep on going. Let's see what else we can find. Ross has like some of the best collection of art I've ever seen, and the price is just amazing to me. I mean, look at this one right here. Look at it's $16.99. Like, it's reduced, but a lot of their prices are so reasonable, it's unreal. So anytime I'm looking for a piece of artwork or a mirror or anything like that, I always head to Ross first, and then if I can't find exactly what I'm looking for, which is very rare, then I go to Home Goods or something like that. But anyway, just wanted to mention that just real quick. So that is it, my friends. We have completed our shopping at Ross today. Look at these. We have to refresh real quick. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I'm going to show you some of my favorites. And oh my gosh, I'm telling you, ooh-wee. That was so fun. Thank you so much for joining me. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe. And please give the video a thumbs up. Hey, I would really appreciate a thumbs up. And drop me a comment. Let me know what you think. And I will see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye now.